Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2 and I'm going to be showing you how to reset the service indicator. Now there is two ways to do this depending on the year of your model, and I'll put them both at the end of this video. So like I say, two ways to do it. That's the models up until 2012 and the models after 2012, which is what this one is. Now my service indicator isn't on at the moment, but it was on a few weeks ago and I did use this method to reset it. So the first thing we're going to do is actually turn the ignition on, but not putting our foot on the brakes and not starting the car. And it will come up with a warning just saying press brake when starting, so you're just going to clear that with OK. And then we can go ahead and start. So what we're going to do is press the OK button to bring up the menu, and we go all the way down to the bottom to service menu, hit OK or to the right, and then go down to the bottom, whatever the bottom option is. On my car it's a last alarm status. And then once you're at that bottom position, all we're going to do is press the trip button, which is on the end of the stalk there, and the down arrow here for 10 seconds. Let me just set the camera up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we can release both buttons, turn the car off, and then when you turn it on and start the car, the service indicator should not be there. If it is there, just try and do the process again. You may not have done it for the full 10 seconds. But I'll now also put up the method for doing both cars, depending on the year. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.